Hi, in this video, we will compare Klaviyo and Omnisend. Klaviyo is an email marketing platform that helps businesses grow by enabling them to engage with their customers through personalized email campaigns. It offers many features designed to enhance customer communication and drive sales. Klaviyo allows you to create and send targeted email campaigns based on customer behavior, preferences, and demographics. You can customize emails with dynamic content, A/B test variations, and automate the sending process. You can segment your audience based on various criteria, such as purchase history, browsing behavior, location, and more. This enables you to deliver highly targeted messages to specific customer segments. Klaviyo provides detailed analytics and reporting features to track the performance of your email campaigns. You can monitor metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, revenue generated, and more. Klaviyo offers powerful automation capabilities that allow you to set up triggered emails based on specific events or actions taken by your customers. Klaviyo integrates with various e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and other marketing tools, allowing you to sync customer data seamlessly and create a unified view of your customers across different channels. Klaviyo also provides a free plan. Klaviyo pricing plan is based on how many contacts you have and starts at $35 per month. On the other hand, Omnisend is an email and SMS marketing platform designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. It helps online stores grow their customer base and sales through a variety of features. You can create and send email campaigns, newsletters, and automated emails like welcome sequences and abandoned cart reminders. Omnisend offers pre-made templates and a drag-and-drop builder for easy customization. Reach your customers directly on their phones with targeted SMS campaigns. You can use SMS to promote sales, send shipping updates, or collect customer feedback. Grow your email list and capture leads with sign-up forms, landing pages, and pop-ups. Omnisend offers a variety of templates and customization options to create on-brand sign-up experiences. Automate your marketing efforts with pre-built workflows for common e-commerce scenarios, such as abandoned carts, welcome emails, and post-purchase follow-ups. You can also create custom workflows to fit your specific needs. Omnisend integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce, as well as CRM systems and other marketing tools. Omnisend provides a free plan forever, and paid plan starts at $16 per month. If you want to use both Klaviyo and Omnisend for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.